health and well-being, the Super Sleep Showdown. In the heart of Dreamville City, where the Sunbeam School stood tall, lived two best friends. Suzeman, a superhero known for his incredible sleep powers, and Wake Up Wendy, who had an uncanny ability to rise early every morning. Their friendship was built on their mutual love for adventure, but they often argued about the importance of sleep. One Saturday morning, Suzeman challenged Wendy to a super sleep showdown. "I bet I can outsmart you and stay up all night," he boasted. Wendy was skeptical but excited for the friendly competition. Wendy stayed up late that night reading a favorite book under the covers. As midnight approached, she started to yawn and stretch, but she pressed on, determined to win. Meanwhile, Suzeman roamed the city, having fun at the playground and making new friends. He was energetic and alert, but as dawn approached, he started to feel tired. As morning came, Wendy finally fell asleep in school. The teacher tried to wake her, but she couldn't. Isian, who had just arrived, was shocked to see his friend sleeping. Later that day, Suzeman and Wendy talked on the school rooftop about what happened. Wendy apologized for falling asleep at school and admitted that she was tired. Suzeman confessed that he was also exhausted from staying up all night. They decided to team up and learn more about taking care of their bodies and minds. In the school library, they researched topics like exercise, a balanced diet, and wind-down routines to help them sleep better. Over the next few days, they began incorporating healthy habits into their routines. They practiced yoga in the park, ate nutritious meals, and developed wind-down rituals before bedtime. As the weeks passed, they noticed a difference in their energy levels and overall well-being. They celebrated with a sleepover party, where they shared their newfound knowledge about healthy habits and how they improved their lives. At school, they were more focused and alert than ever before. Their teacher noticed the change in their energy levels and praised them for their hard work. As they looked out over Dreamville City, they realized that their friendship was stronger than ever before. They had learned an important lesson about taking care of themselves, and they wanted to teach others to do the same. Together, they organized a school assembly to share their newfound knowledge about taking care of themselves. They taught their fellow students about the importance of sleep, exercise, and self-care. As the assembly ended, everyone left feeling more informed and inspired.